name is Rosemary. I'm 23 years old. I'm a student here in Leidse. I study communications, and I also have a startup which is called Connect. And Connect is a workshop giving platform that gives starting out startups and starting out entrepreneurs hopefully the skills and tools to do the own communication of their own startup with a little less money to start out. So they're very cheap workshops to give them the tools and the confidence to do everything themselves. I did a minor at the Hogeschool van Leiden, which is called Startupville. And it has the idea to start your own startup or to become an entrepreneur. And I liked it so much that when I saw that Plant itself were giving more workshops and giving me more tools to continue my own startup, I took that chance and still working on it. So hopefully releasing it soon. I actually thought I would be a terrible entrepreneur because I'm someone that likes other people to tell me what I'm supposed to be doing and have other people motivate me to do stuff. But I acknowledge the fact that I really like teaching other people and helping other people with their ideas. So with Corona and having to self-work at home a lot of the time, I was like, at least I should give it a shot because you already have a no and maybe you can turn it into a yes. With this workshop in particular, it's very important to see what your value proposition, so what the value of your company is, so what makes you special and relevant, and also what makes the customer want to buy your stuff instead of somebody else's. So in my case, why do starting entrepreneurs want my workshops and not somebody else's? That's really relevant because it makes you think about what makes you special and how you can bring that to life in your own startup. Making yourself a brand and thinking about what your strengths are and what makes you special, you can also translate to your LinkedIn or your resume or to interviews for jobs. So thinking of what your value proposition is, I think, is really important in many aspects of your life. I hope with Connect to at least have workshops running at the end of this year. And in the future, I would hope that I can lay the groundwork for workshops that maybe other people can give in the future as well. So it's just not only myself giving them, but other people giving them to upscale my startup and hopefully help a lot of starting out entrepreneurs with their businesses and make them successful. I think I would like to get better at designing stuff. So I'm working on my own website now, which I find quite hard because I'm not the designer kind of person. I'm more the talking kind of person. So having more skills within InDesign, Photoshop, WordPress, and other technical design and graphic design would be really nice. I think that there are a lot of interesting people with a lot of interesting skill sets. So I think there should be probably somebody who could help me with the graphic skills, yeah. I think I'm a good talker, I'm a good pitcher. I know a lot about PR and marketing, so I think that I should be able to help them create more of a brand instead of only a business. So I think I can definitely help them achieve their goals with their businesses as well.